Hello, my dear students. Now, in this session, we are going to consider theory-based accounting from the chapter Retirement of a Partner. Now, consider the first question. Mainly, these are all MCQ type of question. This is the first question from the chapter of retirement. Like here, if the retiring partner is not paid full amount due to him immediately on retirement, his balance is transferred to his dash account, means which account? First option, that is to his loan account. Second option B, it is capital account. Third, that is bank account. And fourth, that is suspense account. Which is correct here? Now we are doing the numerical problem. All the time we are finding retiring partner benefit, and after that we are transferring retiring partner to dash account. Very easy, easiest one question. Like so many problem we did, and so many time we transfer the retiring partner benefit to the respective account. It is not suspense account, it is not bank account, and any of these two. So learner will judge that among these two which will be the correct answer. I will not say. I think so. Everyone can say this question answer. Which is correct, A or B. Now we'll enter the next question. That is also a MCQ type of question. There are four options out there. A, B, C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 4:3:1. Now B is going to retire, and B gives his share of profit to A, rupees 3,600, and C, 4,500. What is the gaining ratio of A and C? Number A option 4:5, B 2:1, C 68:48, D 4:3. Which is correct here? So here in this case, so like it we cannot calculate NR and GR. Like B is going to retire, B is retiring partner. So here we cancel an A and C. You can find out new as well as gaining ratio, like 4:1. Here 4:1 not provided, so that way it will not come here, because here this is the hint here. B retired and give his share of profit to A, like 3,600, and C 4,500. This is the new type of question here came. So here in this type of when amount provided, not like share provided, so that time how do you calculate? So here is a simple way, like these two amount we can consider. Actually these two are the gain amount of the remaining partner, that is A is gain 3,600 and C is gain 4,500. Now if you calculate the ratio among these two amount, 3,600:4,500, now we'll get that gaining ratio 36:45, or another way we can make it smallest and we can find out. So here is the answer is there. I'm not going to say the answer, I gave already hints, so learner have to find out which is the correct answer. Now we'll enter the next question, third question. Here also three partner A, B, C, and profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. C retires from the firm, and goodwill is to be valued at ₹60,000. Find the amount payable to retiring partner on account of goodwill. This one is just one question, I think so. Here goodwill is to be valued at ₹60,000. So total firm value of goodwill. Now out of that we can find out easily C's share or retiring partner's share. So here is the hence here A is to B is to C, that is 3:2:1. So therefore C's share is coming here 1/6. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, so 6 is coming. S share 3/6, base share 2/6, and C share 1/6. So C share is 1/6. As C share 1/6, amount of goodwill, total firm goodwill 60,000, to C share of goodwill 60,000 into 1/6. So that will be the answer. This answer is there, option A, B, C, D. Any one will be here. Already I gave the hints. Now learner we have to choose that correct answer. and I have to post to the Google Classroom. Next, this is the last question, as well as this question came in current year, like 2020. The first question in the set 2 question paper and 1 marks question. I changed the name only. Here I converted to ABC, but this is the question which came in the year 2020. From the first question, it was from the retirement. So here, let's see the question here. ABC are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. A is going to retire and gives his share of profit to B and C in the ratio of 3:2. What is the new profit sharing ratio of B and C? So it is easy, but we have to solve in details here. First, so here old ratio among the three partner, A is to B is to C, 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. Now after that A retired, so A's share is 3/6. So this share is distributed among the remaining partner B and C. 3/6 share distributed among B and C in that ratio 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. So ultimately we can say B's share of gain equals to 3/5 into 3/6. 3/5 into 3/6. 3/5 into 3/6, it is coming 9/30. Exactly C's share of gain we can find out. C's share of gain we can find out. That is 2/5 into 3/6, 6/30. That amount of gain. Now if you add this gain share with the old ratio of B and C, then you can find the new ratio. Very simple. Another way you can give one example. Suppose B have rupees 20 and C have rupees 10. Now A gave 5 rupees to B. B old plus gain, we can find out new. C also same, old plus gain, we can find out new. So that we have to find out. So here you have to calculate here. That is old ratio of B 2/6 plus gaining part, that is 9/30. It is coming 19/30, and C 1/6 plus gain part 6/30. It is coming 11/30. So here the answer is 19:11. Just I told this answer in the last one. So this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. The last D option is correct. I think so it will clear to each and every learner. This type of more problem we will do. And we are going to conclude this session. Thank you very much.